All right, what's my take on penny stocks? So be careful with these things. If you're going to invest in penny stocks, I don't advise doing it. But if you're going to, make sure you've done a ton of research and make sure you understand what the liquidity is like, meaning the volume. And I'll tell you what that means in more detail. So never buy a stock, a penny stock or any stock, that doesn't trade that much, because that stock owns you instead of you owning that stock if the market goes down a lot. And so I usually like to look at the average daily volume for a stock on at least a 3-month trailing basis. And I never buy a stock if the amount of money I want to invest in it is more than the daily volume. And I'll show you what that means. Let's go there together. So we're gonna go to, I don't know why that was playing there. Let's go to finance.yahoo.com, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at any stock, it doesn't even matter. Okay, so let's look at IBM. I always forget what ticker that company's for. Okay, so industry's biggest mistake. So when we look at this company, obviously this thing trades a lot. Traders would say it trades like water. It's very liquid. So the average volume is, let's just say 4 million shares, okay, for IBM. 4 million shares times $140 is a lot. Okay, that's like 200 million, whatever it is. It's a very ridiculous number of shares. And so that trades a lot every day, so you don't have to worry about that liquidity. Now, if you look at a penny stock, make sure it trades a lot more than what you want to buy, because you might be a Stuckholder if you buy too much of it. You won't be able to get out, and you actually might be driving the price up when you're buying it. So just be really careful with penny stocks. As with all stocks, always do your own research. Never rely on anybody else. Nobody's smarter than you, and everybody's got a bias. Everyone's got a bias. Okay, so if you see somebody on TV saying good things about a stock, a lot of times they own it, or they're the CEO of that company. Don't trust anybody. And try not to watch financial news at all. Just do your own research, please. Please, please, please. And I provide you with all the tools you need in my courses. The complete personal finance course, as well as the complete financial analyst training course. And it's a bargain. It's a bargain. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee too.